it's me, Lexi, and today we're going to be making something in the microwave, and it involves an egg and a bowl and another bowl and garlic. Well, you can use salt. That's not right. You can use salt too if you want, but I'm using garlic. Salt. So I'm going to be making a poached egg inside of here, and don't worry, it will not explode because it is. Oh, I think I broke it. Oh well. First, you want to break it into your cup. Go away, fly! And you kind of just want all of it to go inside. And throw that away somewhere. Okay. Now you want to put your big bowl. You want to put your big bowl on top of the little one, like that. It has to slightly fit, and then open the microwave, and then put it inside ever so gently, and then heat up for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And then wait until then. So now it's ready. Woo! Okay. Oh. Oops. How did water get in here? Anyways. Oh, whatever. It's a lot of water. Okay, now that it's done. Burning. Okay. Now you want to remove your egg from the water and carry it carefully to... Camera girl is being very naughty, so I'm sorry. Oh my god. This isn't possible! Even though I said that doesn't make it okay. Okay. Make sure that's it. I don't need that stuff. Now you want to cover it with some garlic or salt, but not too much because you don't want to be bloated and fat. Sprinkle. Sorry guys, this video is ruined. That was scary. Did you hear that? That woo! Yeah. It's time for the taste test. So here's the finished thingy. Now I'm gonna cut it open and eat it. But it's like perfect, exactly how I wanted it. Guys, this is not my first time. This is my second time doing it, but this is like the second time was like better. So I'm just gonna taste. There's some garlic on it. Yummy. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. You dropped a piece. Okay, so time to taste it. Wow, it's actually really good. And oh, it doesn't have enough of garlic. It doesn't have enough garlic. Okay. So I'm gonna taste it one more time to just prove to you that it's actually really good. And yeah. It's seriously so good. I recommend you guys do this too, because it's really fun and really easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye. Whee!